Hello everyone, welcome back to the Digital Tutors. In today's tutorial, we are going to talk about how to easily customize or edit a Canva template. And guess what? We are going to make a birthday invitation together. So before we get started, what is a template? A template in Canva is a ready-made design that you can quickly customize to suit your needs. It's like having a professional designer to do the hard work for you, and all you need to do is tweak it to fit your style. Canva has thousands of templates for everything: invitations, social media posts, presentations, and many more. Let's jump right in. Here we are going to make a birthday invitation. So first, open Canva and head to your Canva dashboard. Search for a birthday invitation in the search bar, and you'll see tons of templates pop up. For today, let's pick a cute, colorful one that's perfect for the kid's birthday party. Now that we've selected our birthday invitation template, let's start by customizing the text. To edit text, click on the text box and simply click on the existing text. Let's replace the name. Then edit the other details, or you can add if something is missing. We want to make sure it has all the details of the event. Make sure you include important info like the date, time, and location of the party. You can also add a fun message like, "Come, join the fun." Next, let's make the invitation pop with some cool fonts. Select the text, then choose a font you like. Change its color. You can resize the text if required. Now let's change up the color of some elements to something bright and happy. Click on Elements, pick a new color. Let's go for a yellow and blue shade for the happy birthday vibe. You can also change the color of the text and other elements to match the theme of your party. Want to make the invitation extra special? Add a personal touch with a photo. Upload a photo, click on Uploads on the left, and then drag and drop your favorite photo of the birthday boy or girl. Adjust and place it in the frame perfectly. This is a great way to make your invite unique and personal. You can also change the graphics, like I delete this balloon graphics and change it with something else. Go to the Elements tab, search for birthday party graphics, and you'll find loads of options to choose from. Drag and drop them into your design. Go to Position and rearrange elements. You can resize them, move them around. Finally, it's time to add those finishing touches and get ready to send your invite. Check spellings and alignment. Always double check that everything is spelled correctly and aligned the way you want. When you're happy with the design, go to the top right corner and click Share, then Download, and download your design in desired format. I recommend downloading as a PDF print if you're going to print it, or as a PNG if you're sharing online. And just like that, you've made a beautiful birthday invitation in no time. See how easy that was? Canva templates make it super simple to create professional designs in just a few clicks. Whether it's birthday invitation or something else, you've got the power to create amazing designs that'll wow everyone. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep designing and see you in the next video.